An explosion at Phoenix House Apartments in Mahoning County, Ohio, injured at least 10 people. The blast blew out the northeast corner of the senior and disabled independent living complex, causing significant damage to the building. Firefighters conducted rescue and evacuation efforts to ensure all residents were safely evacuated from the building, with one person being rescued using a ladder. The cause of the explosion remains unclear, and the state fire marshal is assisting with investigations. The Red Cross provided assistance to the approximately 120 residents who were evacuated to a local elementary school. The explosion ignited small fires on the 4th floor and caused serious damage to the 3rd floor. Residents were provided with temporary housing, food, and other necessities.